In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Slack notifications to a Notion dashboard. So let's dive right in and get started with integrating Slack, which will help you stay updated and organized without having to constantly toggle between your applications. To begin, make sure you have your Notion workspace open. This is where we'll start setting things up so that Slack and Notion can communicate effectively. First, we need to navigate to the settings inside Notion. You'll find the settings option in the upper right corner of your workspace, usually indicated by a small gear icon. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the settings page. Once we're in the settings, the first vital step is to ensure that your Slack account is properly connected to Notion. This is crucial because it enables the two platforms to share information seamlessly. If you haven't already connected Slack to your Notion account, you might see an option here to do so. Click to initiate the connection and follow the prompts to authenticate your Slack account. It's generally a straightforward process, but ensure you are using the right Slack workspace, especially if you belong to multiple ones. Now, with Slack successfully connected to Notion, it's time to move on to the notifications section. Still within settings, look for an option labeled notifications or something similar depending on your version. This is where we will ensure your notifications are set up correctly. In the notifications area, scroll through the various options until you come across Slack notifications. This is what we need to activate so that any updates or changes in Notion can trigger a notification in your Slack workspace. Simply find the toggle switch next to the Slack notifications option and switch it on. You might hear a satisfying confirmation sound or see a visual indicator ensuring that the connection has been successfully established. As a tip, while you're in the notifications settings, it might be beneficial to customize which specific activities in Notion send notifications to Slack. Consider what updates are most critical for you to see immediately, such as task completions, new comments, or changes in project status. Customizing these settings will help prevent notification overload and ensure you get timely updates that matter the most to you. Once you've activated and configured your Slack notifications, you're all set. Go back to your Notion dashboard and continue working. Now, anytime there's an important development, you will receive a helpful notification in Slack. That's it. You've successfully integrated Slack notifications with your Notion dashboard, allowing both platforms to work hand in hand and keep you informed with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on improving your workspace efficiency.